In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a page in Canva. Now you might be thinking, is there a straightforward way to rotate a page? Unfortunately, Canva doesn't offer a direct rotate feature for pages, but don't worry. I've got a simple workaround that involves resizing your design, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start by opening up your Canva project. Once you're in, focus your attention on the top menu bar where you'll find a button labeled Resize. This feature will be our primary tool to effectively achieve that rotated look. Click on the Resize button and a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll need to select Custom Size. This is where the magic happens, allowing us to change the dimensions and create the illusion of rotation. In the Custom Size fields, you'll see two boxes labeled Width and Height. To achieve a rotated appearance, you'll need to reverse your dimensions. For instance, if you're working with a traditional landscape size of 1920 by 1080 pixels, you'll want to switch those numbers around. Type 1080 for the width and 1920 for the height. This alters the orientation from landscape to portrait or vice versa, mimicking rotation. After inputting your new dimensions, it's crucial to ensure that you're working with pixels. This guarantees that the size remains proportional to your previous design. Canva defaults to maintaining aspect ratios, but we want to override this for our rotational trick. With that set, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now return to the Resize drop-down and click on the option that states Resize this design. This option applies the new dimensions directly to your existing canvas. Give it a click and you'll immediately see your design transformed to fit the portrait or landscape orientation based on the sizes you've input. Remember, while this method doesn't rotate the page in the traditional sense, it effectively changes the layout so you can reposition your elements accordingly. You may need to do a bit of rearranging to ensure everything looks just right within the new space, but this step is crucial for creatively manipulating your layout. And there you have it. By utilizing the Resize feature in Canva, you can simulate page rotation effortlessly. It's a handy workaround when the direct tools aren't available, and it leaves your design aligned just the way you want it. With this newfound skill, you'll be able to enhance your creations with ease, keeping everything fresh and tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.